please.
Draw a picture. Circle and a square. Here's our goal. Write a function for the area in terms of the side length. So our goal is area on the left and side length on the right. And what's the area of a circle again? Pi r squared. So basically we need to figure out how to replace r. Check your folder for your notes. So should be in there.
Yeah, I did.
More in there?
No.
Sure. Okay. So we need to be able to replace r. Okay, so couldn't we call this right here s?
Yes.
So then what's the radius?
That's
Half of s. So r equals 1/2 s. Agreed? So that's pretty much going to do it, because now we have a way to represent r in terms of x. So we're just going to sub that in. So pi times 1/2 s squared, and then we'll just clean it up. 1/2 squared is 1/4, so we have pi fourths s squared. All right, we're skipping this one. We're going to do this one. Okay, we have a rectangular tabletop. And its length is 2 feet less than twice its width. So if I label these as W, what's the length going to look like in terms of W? 2W minus 2. Perfect. And perimeter is given. Okay, so perimeters is all the way around, right? So I'm just going to collect. Is it okay if I just collect the terms right now? So 2, 2, 1, and 1. So that's 6W minus 4, and that equals. And then we're just solving for W. 6W equals 20 divided by 6. 26 is 10/3. And that units would be feet, so there's one of the dimensions. And to get the length, we know that L is 2W minus 2. So we just sub that in here. All right, so multiplying this, that's 20/3 minus common denominator there would be 3, so minus 6/3. So we get 14/3 is our length. Okay. And then the last one, you might see this in chemistry at some point. Does this look like a familiar problem you've done? You guys in chemistry? Yeah, maybe you didn't do it yet. Okay, so you have a beaker. And you have 400 milliliters in there already of a 15% solution. You're going to add a 40% solution to it, but you don't know how much. And you want to produce a 35% benzene solution. Okay. So you're going to have 6 blanks. Okay. And the format for these are always the same. It's always going to be volume, percent, volume, percent, volume, percent. So isn't there already 400 milliliters in there? Okay. And what's the percent? 15, right? 0.15. That's a bar? We're adding to it, right? But we don't know how much. So what should I put here? X. We know we're adding 40% solution. And we know, finally, we want it to be a 35% solution. How much total volume will we have? Yeah, good job, guys. 400 plus X. These two numbers right here will always add up to the total, right? So the total is 400 plus whatever you added to it will give you the total. Setting it up is the hard part. I'm confident you can solve a linear equation, right? Questions on the setup so far? Okay, grab your calculators, and you're just going to solve it out. While you're finishing that, I'm going to drop the review off. If you see her by chance, sorry.
Please stop.
Can you just tell her about the shortening of the note? Yeah, here's a packet of a domain quiz. Okay. Did we get 60 here? What is this, 140? All right, this should have been your first step, right? Multiply, multiply, distribute.
Oh. How is 15% plus 40% 35%?
No, these don't add up to that. No, just these two. Volume
And
and
where do we
volume.
get the percent?
Where do I get the percent?
Oh.
It's given right here, 15 and 40. Okay. And then when you solved it out, what did you get? 4? Check again. If we move this over, we get 0.05x. If we subtract that over, we get 80. And what's 80 divided by 0.05? Okay, that's 1,600 milliliters. Questions on that? Okay, so we can slash out, as sad as I am, we're gonna slash the rest of the notes. I know, it's crazy. I'm going wild. Okay.
Are we not gonna need to know it like?
Right. It's not on the test. I took it off. This will be on the one. We'll be on the finals. Oh my gosh, guys. We'll worry about it if we get there. Okay. It's nothing I couldn't like teach you quickly, but I want to make sure you're having enough time. So then on the homework, cross out the last two problems. So this one. The one where it starts with tell which, and then that last. Yeah. So that and then.
What was the first one?
So we.
Well, I told you, you're not.
All right. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your domain quiz. You're gonna bring it up to my desk. Once everyone's done, you may talk freely. You may get your laptops out and look at the answer keys. You may look at the answer keys up here. I have 1-6, 1-7, and the review. All right, you're working, right? All right. Folders up, notes away.
What are we talking about?
No calculator on this, guys.